Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into an essential topic that every business owner, importer and exporter should be familiar with: Incoterms. Have you ever wondered what Incoterms are and why they matter in international trade? Well, you are in the right place. In this video we'll explain their importance from their origin to their significance in ensuring smooth global transactions. Let's start with the basics. Incoterms, which stands for International Commercial Terms, were introduced in 1936 by the International Chamber of Commerce, IZZI. These terms were created to establish a common ground for commercial transactions between two parties involved in international trade. Guess what? The exporter and the importer. Now, you might be wondering, why are Incoterms so important? Well, Incoterms provide a universally accepted framework that outlines the responsibilities of both the seller and the buyer in a transaction. They offer a standardized set of rules and terminology, ensuring that both parties are on the same page and reducing the risk of misunderstandings or confusion. Let's take a closer look. What the Incoterms rules actually do? 4 things. Explain the trade terms for the sale and purchase of goods, describe obligations, risk transfers, and cost allocation between seller and buyer. The Incoterms rules clearly define the obligations of each party involved. This includes who takes care of tasks like organizing carriage, obtaining shipping documents, or arranging insurance. They outline when and where the risks associated with the goods transfer from the seller to the buyer. And speaking of costs, they also specify which party is responsible for various expenses, such as transportation, loading and unloading, packaging, and security-related costs. But it's equally important to understand what the Incoterms rules do not cover. Do not create a contract of sales. They do not specify goods specifications or payment details. They do not address breach of contract remedies or consequences. They do not handle sanctions, tariffs, import-export restrictions, and more. So while they are incredibly valuable, they have their limits. To sum it up, Incoterms are like a guidebook for international trade. They ensure that both parties in a transaction understand their roles, responsibilities, and the distribution of costs and risks. With these standardized terms, businesses can operate smoothly on a global scale, minimizing the chances of misunderstandings that can lead to a dispute. If you are involved in international trade, whether you are a seasoned business owner or just starting out, understanding Incoterms is crucial. It can save you from potential complications and legal issues down the road. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And hey, if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and remember, knowledge is your best asset in the world of global business. Stay informed and stay successful. See you in the next video.